In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with a YouTube video or create content out of a YouTube video, be it a summary, be it some key takeaways, or be it further or more information or commendation, or write something about the video. You can do that with Google AI Studio. You can access it by coming to aistudio.google.com. And then once you're here at the chat, you can come over here. Now, this plus sign is where you can add the YouTube video link. So you can click and you can go straight to YouTube video. And then you have the option to paste in the URL. And this is going to quickly scan and give you the video. This video is about Hoover Dam. It's a small documentary about the Hoover Dam that's in the United States. Now you can specify the timing that you want to be specific about in this video. But if you want to keep everything at default, like I want to do, I can just leave it everything at default. And now I import the video. Now we can talk to the video directly by saying, can you give me a summary of this video? All right. So once you say okay to this is going to scan, watch the video, and give you the summary of the video. Okay. To tell you how powerful this Google AI Studio is. It is going to give you exactly a summary of the video. Okay, so take a look at the key details summary of the video. It has generated so fantastic and very, very nice. Okay, so you can see this is a summary of the video. So we can ask it, can you give me 3 takeaways on this video? Okay, so let's say run to this. And let's hear what it is going to give us. And you can see these are the key 3 main takeaways from this particular video. It has given us 1, 2, 3, and it's very detailed. And this is fundamental to this. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.